All right, go ahead. Okay, working on this Liberty 5000 series out of a 30-foot Sportcraft, and the complaint was it was noisy in gear. Well, I'd say so. That bearing race has about had it. So actually the bearing don't look that bad, but it's going to get replaced. So the inner output bearing is junk. So we will replace the bearing, reseal this thing, and retest it. All right, we got bearings in stock to fix this old girl. Let's put her together. Okay, testing our Liberty Series 2-to-1 after a bearing failure. Sounds nice and quiet. We'll back her down, see how she shifts. Rewind, forward, nice and quiet. Hells yeah. Rev her up. We'll warm it up to about 180 degrees. We'll run about another half hour, make sure it still shifts good when it's warm and no leaks, and then we'll ship it.